What is going on, guys? Jeremy here and Peanut back again with another video. You gotta go potty, boy. You gotta go potty. Go on potty. Go drop a duke. So guys, I obviously being unemployed, which I don't know if I will be still when this video goes up, but as of right now I am, and been kinda playing around with the Camaro. Show you guys what I got going on right here. Alright, so if you look right here, I did pull out the grill. Here's the catch. I actually did this a different way. I went through and pulled the bumper off and decided, you know what? And this is after I had everything off, fender liner, bumper, all that. But I really didn't like the way it looked without this. I wasn't able to reuse my splitter rods. So what I ended up doing is coming through here. I used a razor. And then I said screw that and actually use some dikes and just cut right here. I'm going to kind of file these down to make it look a little better. Obviously you can see where there's spots. There's spots over here. Doesn't look the best yet, but show you guys what I went and got. So basically this is what you'll need if you want to do this. I think this looks better than completely removing the grill. But I got Kyle's custom truck SUV edge trim. Obviously you guys already know what I'm going to be doing with that. So pretty much, guys, what I'm going to be doing, like I said, I'm going to file some of these down that are raised up a little bit, like this guy, which actually I might not have to. I'm basically just going to take this. It's going to be a tight fit. Once we get it started, we can probably get rolling though. Basically going to take that. Hope it's long enough. Yes. And we're going to cover up these little holes down here. And this is just a mock-up right now. Oh wow, yeah, that's actually working extremely well. So take that, we're going to cover up these holes. That's pretty much going to be it. I think this is super awesome. If you're boosted, if you want to show off that intercooler, it could maybe look okay without intercooler there. I don't think so, but that's not for me to decide. That's on you guys if you want to do this. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. This part's going to need to be filed down a little bit. You can see how it's kind of raised. Might be able to cut a little bit out of that. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and work on the bottom side, get this on, and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so obviously back here it is a heck of a lot better. These spots are still going to show just a little bit, unfortunately, but honestly the best way to do this, if you want to do it the right way, probably just pull the grill off, which I should have just went ahead and done since I was right here. Man, probably sand this thing down, make this a little bit thinner. Probably paint it. I think body match would look really good, and do it that way. But this is a really quick and dirty way of doing it, and I think it's super cool. I've never seen anybody ever do it like this, so I mean, to me that's absolutely awesome. But that's it, guys. Super quick video. I just want to show you guys kind of what I came up with. I think it's a super good idea. It looks a lot better to me than pulling the whole grill out. Also behind there you've got stuff, little plastic clips that are holding your wiring, headlights, fog lights, all that good stuff. So I think it's a really good way to do it. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed. It came out great. But that's pretty much it, guys. As always, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you think this is a good idea, if you're going to do it to your car. Hopefully it helps somebody out. But as always, guys, like, share, subscribe. I will see y'all on the next video.